Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I want to introduce myself. My name is Indra Prayoga and I'm from kelas Akunting 3C Politeknik Negeri Semarang. Today, I want to presentation about my project that is a calculation of cost of production using the process cost method LLC ABC. Okay. The first one, that is a background about my presentation. That is determining the cost of production is one of the important thing in running a business. Error in determining the cost of production can cause the profit ratio to decrease. LIC ABC is a company that produces brick for construction purpose. This company still use a simple basic costing process calculation. The calculation of determining the cost of goods that has been carried out does not calculate production cost in detail, so that there are differences in determining the actual cost of production. So I have two formulation of problem. The first one is how to calculate production data in March 2024, and the second one is how to calculate the cost of production using the process cost method in LLC ABC in March 2024. Okay, the research purpose number one is calculating LLC ABC production data in March 2024, and the second one is calculate the cost of production using the process cost method at LLC ABC in March 2024. So this research have a benefit of the first one as an implementation of learning for cost accounting course in the chapter on cost of production for Semarang State Polytechnic student in the accounting study program. Second, assist LLC ABC in determining the cost of production using the process cost method. And third, add insight and information related to determining the cost of production for reader. The literature review, the first is meaning of cost. According to Dunia 29 chapter 18, costs are expense or the value of sacrifice made to obtain good or service that are useful in the future or have benefits for more than one annual accounting period. And then cost classification is three. The first one, cost classification based on operational activity, and then classification of cost based on the intensity of occurrence, and the last classification of cost based on their potential activity. Definition of cost of production. According to V. Sujarweni W. 2918 chapter 148, the cost of production is the sum of all production costs consisting of raw material costs, labor costs, and factory overhead costs. Method of collecting costs of production. First, job order costing, and then process costing. Classification of costs in the process cost method. The first, material cost. Second, labor cost, and third, factory overhead cost. In this research, I use research method. The first, meaning of research method. According to Sugiono 2016 chapter 2, research methods are basically a scientific way to obtain data with certain purpose and use. The second, data classification. I have qualitative data and quantitative data. Method of collecting data, I use interview and observation to gain data for this project. Writing method. The writing method in this research used the exposition research method. The exposition method is writing that aim to provide information, explanation, or understanding, including the exposition group. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique use the comparative method. Okay, uh, in grading system, there are the chapter 1 is background, the chapter 2 is literature review, chapter 3 is research methodology, chapter 4 is result and discussion, and chapter 5 is closing. So this is a schedule of activity to help me plan activity about making this project. In the first week at May, I have to do title submission and consultation and preparation of TA proposal. In the second week, I do TA proposal consultation and preparing of chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. In the third week, there is a chapter 1 consultation, and then on the fourth week is chapter 2 consultation. On June first week, I do chapter 3 consultation. In second week, preparation of chapter, and then in third week, chapter 4 consultation and preparation and consultation of chapter 5. And in the fourth week, I have to draft chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.